Isang mapagpalang araw po, maupay aga. Good morning everyone. This is your friend Ali Jandro, along with my family, with my beautiful wife and gorgeous Sophia, tatay daughter, my only one Sophia. So my wife is driving now. We are on the way to Baybay City Leyte. So we came here yesterday. Our main purpose is to visit the Sea of Clouds. So we just came there. It's like a boundary of Maplag and Baybay. 30 minutes driving from the main city of Baybay. So we're going back to Baybay City again to have a visit from different places to explore their city. So right now we are in the Tacloban Baybay Road. It will be like around 8 kilometers more before we arrive. So we enjoy. It's our first family music. Diretso. So, amo ito. Nag-enjoy and focus sa family. We have our breakfast there. So, from the city, nangaturog kami nga to. I'll speak in Tagalog because this will be broadcasted in YouTube so Tagalog is our national language. So kami po ay galing sa Sea of Clouds in Barangay Villa Solaridad. I hope I pronounce it right. And hindi siya masyadong nagpakita ngayon ng clouds. But nung dumating kami, when I arrived there around 5 in the morning, 5:30 I think, medyo na may mga part na nakita namin yung clouds. But since we were busy with our breakfast with my wife's always hungry, so we miss to have a take a photo. Anyhow, we have some few pictures. Nakakuha din kami ng pictures with my wife and of course with our daughter, aming nag-iisa for now na anak. It's a good experience. Kaya ito yung una naming family out of town explore road trip. So this year 2025, it's January 4, 2025. It's been a good year, 2024. Kami ay pinagpala at nalayo sa mga tama. Nagpapasalamat kami sa Panginoon kay buti niya. At ngayon ay babalik kami muli sa Baybay City para mag-ikot-ikot to see the mga tourist area or any place na pwede na may visit. It's my first time, me and my daughter Sophia Venezuela, Lagario Venezuela. It's our first time in Baybay. I think second time because we went back and then we come back again. Right, Daniko, ako na hani, nag-working din as a medical representative. He used to bring drugs, medical drugs, only not illegal drugs. So she was working here way back 2005, I think, around 20 years. More than 20 years approximately. Ito isa sa mga lugar na kanyang destination. She was covering the whole Leyte and summer for her as a medical representatives. So ngayon, what I could say, napakaganda ng lugar na to. Still you can see a lot of trees, a lot of green. It's a green area. Hindi katulad ng not to be compared sa Middle East where I'm working in Qatar, currently working. This is one thing that I miss in our Gandahan. See, now you can see that I think this is the proper bye-bye. If you can see that area. Because this area we're passing a lot of mountain area. So yung mga nakapanood dito, we inviting you here in Leyte to visit Leyte. Marami kaming mga lugar na a good place to visit for tourists. So if you can see, this is a mountain area. On the other side is a mountain part, and the other side is hillside. Bangin sa Tagalog. In Waray, bangin, it means maybe. See, my chili joke. One of the things that my wife love about me. Okay, kung na good looking lang, medyo average lang kita. Medyo dihado kita. So, you have to be a funny person and buutan. Kaya kung pagkagwapo, buutan na kindoro. Sa mo tanti, one thing ay nariyagan na akong salit. We were blessed with a very buutan nga anak. Kami niya, super niya ka-obedient. Dari niya na absent. Very studious ito niya, Carmen. So, sumubuton kaniya mama. Kaniya mama during school days, she stopped from the end. Joking lang ba nito? Balto kanya ka. Asawa, makaritin yung Doro. She has a very good analysis. She's a keen observant also, and decision maker, future leader. So be careful, Sarah, kung mag-abot ka mo kasawa. Yan ang bagay ba niya interest kay babatiya karuyan. Karigla niya mga coffee, kain. So be careful. Or yung mag-ngaran ko nino nga Sarah. Maybe Sarah Balabagan or Sarah Heronimo. Kay aspiring singer niya kasawa. I'm not losing hope. So amo niya nagiging prayerful da ko anak. Kay still we're hoping maybe kung permiti mag-ininom Eloy magbago niya boses. Kay karantahon niya mga alone.
Nakakatamay.
Nanonood sounds para may nakita background. So as you can see, may danamon may danamon mga sinisiring bodyguard ahead of us doon nga motor. Hindi na kami ginko convoy kay so kami kay importante nga they want to make sure na safe ito ang travel. So inihira na bunyog iniramon pangadat pagulpot ng mabaybay. Nakita doon nga motor at panusa mga naghirap mga fully equipped, mga dangerous train ito nira. Sa amin ni Tacloban Baybay Road. So we have mga 3.2 kilometers na lang. Maulpot na kami ang Baybay City. So I'm just doing this video for documentation and also for amon remembrance sa namon family outing. So ipakita ko yung taknaw kay Vines very nga mga boses na mga bayakon. I have also very nice good looking character. That's nice. So naawod ko na takasawa kay dirito mo dito ako lahi, hindi rin kami magagamayan mo pa yung anak mausay. See? Kaya na akong blood very rare. Ito na lang mga kabubatan nakikita. Nagsaw na lang. So, sinisingapot na akong asawa. Anyhow, they have also here rice fields. Carabao. So, ang city ni rice, good thing bye-bye. Maopening area location actually kay mayada nira other kapatagan ng dagat and then also hillside. Unlike anamon lugar, our family parents is from Burauen, Leyte. So Burauen, we are in the middle of Leyte. Leyte is surrounded of sea, but we are in the middle. So anamon lugar is mostly mountain and rice fields. Unlike in Baybay, but now our city is developing also. Maybe one of these in future, maybe a few years from now, maging city na gihapon.
Ano niyo kuan?
Anohan? Ha? Ano?
Tagading sa ano ning place.
Tagading ko noon, pakinan na ako mabaysay nga asawa. Actually, akong origin talaga kay akong blood is from mga Spanish kami, Kastila. Mga Kastila na akong origin, mga batasan. Diretso. Truhon ko, wari makabati ng asawa. Kaya nagpakihan niya kanina kung mga tagading talaga kami. So my mom is from Dumaguete and my dad is from Leyte. Akong asawa is from Burawin. And ako, may ako bloodline. Anakong gitikangan mga Kastila. Hasta yan na anak batasan makuro Kastila lagi. Sa kasawa, natap na niniya yan na. Italo tiyan na mapula-pula na. Kaya sering pa, kung ino timing kakabunyog, amo gihapon, magiging sugat ka. Salit kita na lati. Baga pamahumpahong yan na mapula-pula iniya, kaya nasira ka ng talon. Yung gawas homebody niya, balay, sarakyan lay niya, kaya di rin nagbabaktas. Kaya di doon. Then nag-exercise. Anyhow, love na love ko itong akasawa, bisan na doon niya mahusay.
Homebody, balay, sarakyan.
Homebody, house and car lay niya, di rin malakat. Kaya di rin talaga nagbabaktas. Salit, mga pera pala kapita din talon, ginihingal na. Pero namon goal this year is magkamayada kami abs. Butangan lanti, katikangan. Tabs.
Ano, diretso ka?
Ano bayisan nato na no, sige liputalanay. Sugarong ko lanay, kaya bakit nakasawa nagdadagmit naman yung tagan. Gugutom na tayo.
Oo, marami ka nga tayo.
Diretso lang. Diretso lang. Jollibee na kinano. Butang. Boulevard, haraan nila ito.
Simba?
So now we arrive city of Baybay. And now our itineraries, we're going to diretso, then right side para Jollibee.
Adi?
So anong siyahan nga, it's around 7 in the morning, 7:45. So makatuan na kami church at Baybay. They have heritage church kani. It was built in 1850 and they started building it in 1850 and finished in 1875 according na namon na batian na YouTube lagi. So Minitera City, ito ang kanilang syudad. Baybay City, they also develop now. They have lots of McDonald's, they have Jollibee here. McDonald's, Maripan. Anong yun na ito? Mabuyog. They have 7-Eleven here. It's all because it's a city now, so a lot of developments in this city. Because my wife was here like 20 years back and she said last night, marami nang pinagbago ang syudad na to kasi marami nang mga itinayo. Dati nakatumba. Kaya maraming pinagbago. Yung dating maliit na nyog, lumaki na. So now we're going to Jollibee. And let's see if it's near to their parish church. So I think I'll finish for now and later on mag-record kami outro. I-upload namin yung YouTube. So watch out guys. This is Venezuela Family Vlog. Today is January 4, 2025. Thank you for watching. God bless.